Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about a chart trading for intraday trading. Okay, so the chart trading or the chart analysis is very important when you're doing a intraday trading. Okay, so I'll be telling you a few of the basic things and tricks and tips what you need to consider when you're doing an intraday trading, and what are the things you should see when you open a stock chart. Okay, and I'll be also telling you like what are the stocks you need to avoid for intraday trading. So like if I tell you like what kind of chart it's forming, you need to avoid that, and what are the things you need to take care of when you're doing intraday trading. So I'll be telling you all these things in this video, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this about the chart trading and the chart analysis. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSC and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blog spot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you'll be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. And also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. If you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the chart trading or chart analysis for the intraday trading. Okay, so guys, first thing is that, so this is a chart of a stock. This is ICICI Bank chart. So whenever you open a chart, so this is how it looks, and there are a lot of way to analysis. One is with your indicators and all these things, but now I'm not going to talk about technical analysis or with any indicators. I'll be talking about normal candlestick. Okay, so this is a normal candlestick. A lot of people use like you know Icanashi also and candles. So this is a normal candlestick what I'm using. So the popular used thing is Icanashi, which looks like this, and the another one is that the normal candle. Okay, so I prefer to use normal candle much, so let's keep a normal candle. And this is a 15 minutes time frame chart. So there's a lot of time frames like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and all these things. So guys, now what you're seeing is a 1 minute candle chart, and now let me switch to 5 minutes. So when I switch to 5 minutes, the chart looks like this, and when I switch to 15 minutes, the chart looks like this. Okay, now if I go to 30 minutes, the chart looks like this. So this means that the whatever time frame you change of a chart, so it will tell you what is happening in the chart. So every different time frame will tell you every different thing and the trend what is going on in the chart. Okay, so if you are doing an intraday trading, 15 minutes or 5 minutes is preferable for doing an intraday trading. Okay, and now for this analysis, what we're gonna see is that the first thing is you have to see how the trend of a stock is, whether the stock is going upside or the downside. And one more tip is that, so if you're trading in any of the stock, on the current day, just make sure you see a previous day, like 1 or 2 days chat before, and see how the stock is moving, either the stock is stuck in any movement or either the stock is giving a good movement. Okay, so just see how the stock movement is before you start to trade or start to pick a stock. Okay, so this is one tip. Now this is ICICI bank chat, what you're seeing here. As you guys can see, on this day, on 28th of May, there was no much movement as such. As you guys can see, there was a bit of a range bound movement. Okay, so the stock was stuck a bit and it was moving in that range itself, only like 1 or 2 rupee change. Okay, and on 29th, what happened is that it was moving in the same way, but later on the second part of the day, the stock break out and gave a very good movement. Okay, and now let's see on the previous day what happened. Okay, so on the previous day the stock gave a very good movement. Okay, so as you guys can see, it almost opened with 296 rupees. Okay, and it went all the way up till 321. Okay, so when this kind of huge movements happen, on the next day, you can see that the stock movement will be less. Okay, so at this time you have to avoid it. So that's why I said you to check that 1 or 2 days before chat, when you start, before you start to trade. Okay, and when and once a stock is moving like this rapidly quick with the upper side or the downside, it means that there will be any news or a event based on that stock or based on that index. For example, ICICI Bank here. So ICICI Bank here is a bank sector. Maybe on that day there was a news on bank, so that's the reason why ICICI Bank suddenly went up this much higher. Okay, so you have to consider all these things before you trade. And also, if you're using a Zerodha trading platform, you can see sometimes it will be written as event next to the stock name, so that means that that stock name is having some news or event on that particular day. Okay, so guys, this is ICICI bank chart what you're seeing, and the chart looks fine. Okay, so everything looks good, the candles are having volume and good movement. And one more thing to consider is that you have to always see the volume also. So let me just put the volume chart here. So here is a volume chart, so you can use the volume chart to know how the volumes are coming for the stock what you have selected. Okay, and also you can see here. Okay, so the volumes which were coming was less, and later after 2 o'clock here the volume started to come, and then the stock started to go up. Okay, so these are the things which you can observe and get your tradings accuracy to the higher levels. Okay, so now let's talk about the other chart, and the chart which you should avoid. Okay, I mean the stocks which you should avoid. So let me just quickly open DHFL stock. Okay, just for the example I'm showing you. So whenever you see a stock charts being like this, so avoid it for intraday trading. Okay, because these stocks will not have good movements. Okay, so when you see a chart like this, you should avoid it. And one more thing guys, when you're picking a stock for intraday trading, make sure you pick a stock above 150 rupees. So the stock above 150 rupees will always have a good movement, and pick a stock from Nifty 50. And one more thing is that you can also see the beta of the stock. Okay, so this you can see in Zerodha. Just click on this more button once you go to the stock name, and then click on this fundamentals. Here you can see this beta. Okay, so this is a Indelco chart, and this is 1.65 beta. So this means that this stock will have a good movement. The beta rate valuing above 1.0. Okay, so we'll have a good movement. You can check the stocks beta before you start your trade. Okay, so the beta should be always higher than 1 point. Okay, so that will have a good movement. And now coming to the next point. Okay, many people ask how to find out the trend. Okay, so yes, finding out the trend is very important. And if you're doing an intraday trading, so just make sure you check the Nifty 50 how it is moving. So either the Nifty 50 is in plus or minus. So if the Nifty 50 is in plus, go to a buyer side. If the Nifty 50 is minus, take a selling side, that is short sell trades. Okay, now how can you find out the stocks trend? So that is very important thing. So When you see a stock chart, see how the stock is performing, either it's making higher high or the lower lows. Okay, so that's what I said. Like you can just say like before 1 or 2 days chart and see how the stock is performing. And if the stock is making lower lows, that means if it's breaking its own low, that means the stock is in a downtrend. Okay, but if the stock is moving higher and it's breaking its high, that means the stock is in uptrend. And if the market is in plus position, I mean the market is up, then you can take a buy trade on this stock. Okay, so that's how you can consider it. Okay, so always make sure you check this little few things which will help you to make your intraday trading bit easier. Okay, so always pick a stock with a good movement, and whenever you see a stock chart with lot of wicks and lot of small candles, kindly avoid it. For example, which I showed you like this, so avoid like this charts. Okay, so as you can see, this is an example of Gale. So Gale is below 100 rupees now. Okay, so it's at 92.35 now. As you guys can see, the movement cannot be predicted that easily. So suddenly the stock might come up, and suddenly it may pause and it can consolidate and all these things. And also sometimes the stock will get range bounded. For example, let's say the stock price is 200, so it will go to 201 and come back to 200, 201, and again it comes back to 200. So it will be just stuck in that one price range. Okay, so that time it is called as range bound. So avoid the stocks like that when you see it. Okay, so guys, these are the little tricks and tips what I wanted to share in this video of chart analysis. So these are the basic things, and later I'll be making a video on how to see it on indicator based and all these things. So make sure you watch, stay tuned for that, and I'll be uploading the videos on that too very soon. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.